Very nice. Thank you very much. So, a warm welcome to all of you. And as we know that it is our custom and system to conduct various useful programs for professionals like us and to come out as a bridge between industry and academia. So we have various experts, and today we are fortunate that during this running of this series of programs, which can enhance our personality also, which is useful for individuals, irrespective of the society or the corporates. So there are certain topics or certain issues which benefits individuals. So following the same, today we have a very good topic: living life by design, not by default. तो मुकेश जी का एक गाना था, किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना ऐसी करना। तो ये जो जीना है, जो लाइफ है, इट इज आर्ट। तो उसको हम कितने अच्छे से जीते हैं, शिद्दत से जीते हैं और करा है। बट ठीक है, कई बार सबको नहीं आती है, लोग अच्छे से मैनेज नहीं कर पाते। बट वी हैव एक्सपर्ट्स लाइक श्री ए एन सिंह जी, जो कि लोगों को दिशा देते हैं, दशा देते हैं और बता देते हैं कि आपको जिंदगी जीने के लिए क्या क्या रिक्वायर्ड है, अच्छे से जीने के लिए, ताकि आप जीवन को एंजॉय कर सकें। तो बहुत ज़्यादा आप लोगों के बीच में वो कहते हैं ना कि वो दूरियां क्रिएट करते हुए मैं सीधे आता हूँ हमारे आज के जो मुख्य वक्ता हैं, हमारे मेन स्पीकर श्री ए एन सिंह जी। इनका जो सीवी है बहुत बड़ा है सर, तो अगर वो पढ़ने बैठूंगा तो ये जो आपकी स्लाइड्स हैं वो आधी रह जाएंगी, आधी भी नहीं हो पाएंगी। तो बड़ा ही एक शॉर्ट से मैं खुद ही पढ़ रहा था कि पहले तो मैं ही कुछ ज्ञान ले लूँ। इसके अंदर बड़ा ही वास्ट एक्सपीरियंस है, प्लस कुछ किताबें और लिखी है सर ने लेटेस्ट। अभी सर से मेरी फोन पे बात हुई थी, तो सर बता रहे थे कुछ किताबें और लिखी है, तो मैंने सर एक किताब भेज दीजिएगा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, हम भी पढ़ लेंगे सर। वेरी नाइस सर। श्री अखिलेश एन सिंह इज ए मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट, डिजाइन योर लाइफ कोच, author, NLP and spiritual practitioner, studied courses on Upanishads, Vedic astrology, Brahma Sutra, Yoga Sutra, etc. from realized gurus in Himalayas ashrams. Learned transcendental meditation, Patanjali yoga. There are certain words जो मुझे पढ़ने थोड़ी सर, तो सीखना पड़ेगा आपसे। तो just excuse me, ये सर सही तो आप ही इसको कर पाएंगे, आप गुरु आप हैं। सुदर्शन क्रिया, इनर इंजीनियरिंग एंड क्रिया योगा फ्रॉम दी स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर्स, ट्रेन्ड इन लीन मैनेजमेंट, सिक्स सिग्मा एंड TQMIN, जापान, UK एंड USA, बीटेक फ्रॉम IIT BHU वाराणसी with diplomas in business management and Gemma Kaizen, Japan. Worked in leading industries, SAIL and Jindal Stainless Limited. Professor in Management Institute and Management Consultant at FICCI and UNIDO, etc. 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 सर बाकी ना पढ़ने के लिए सर माफी। हमारे मुकेश भाई भी आ गए, आपका भी हृदय से आभार, स्वागत है आपका। तो सर पूरा नहीं पढ़ने के लिए माफी सर एडवांस में। और मैं चाहूँगा कि हमारे बीच बड़े सीनियर ब्रिगेडियर साहब बैठे हुए हैं, तो मैं चंदा साहब से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आज के हमारे स्पीकर का एक पुष्प गुच्छ दे करके उनका स्वागत करें सर, ब्रिगेडियर साहब। भाई हाँ, अच्छा बोल रहा है हमारे। Now I request our speaker of the day to kindly come on the dais. The dais is yours, and we are waiting to learn from you to live the life by design, not by default. ये खामखा जिए जा रहे हैं, बस यूं ही जिए जा रहे हैं, नहीं अब तरीके से जिएंगे। Thank you very much sir. Over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Singh. Very good evening, friends. At the outset, I express my sincere gratitude to ANA, managing committee and members for giving opportunity to speak. Because everybody wants to speak, nobody wants to listen. Right? It's a rare opportunity. So before here, highly experienced people are here with long and very rich experience from various spectrum of society. So before coming to that topic, I just want, because this is an interactive and learning, there are three basic fundamental questions. First is, so okay, I think without mind. First is that what is the purpose of life? Second question is what is life? I think everybody. Yeah. Third is that how to attain the purpose of life. These three fundamental questions determine quality of your life, which is around a century long, right? Unless these three things are clear, it's really big challenge for anyone to lead a good life. I would like to take everybody's input because I also want to learn from very rich experienced people. And everybody is here. First question, what is the purpose of life?
The purpose can be, first thing is to make yourself useful and then become useful to the society.
Yes, ma'am. Because these are going to be very rich input for me. Yes, ma'am.
The purpose of my life is to be happy.
Yes, sir.
Just to learn from society and then give it back to society. Yeah. Keep on learning as much as you can and then give back to the society whatever you have.
Yeah.
Sir, say be happy.
Yes, sir.
Keep learning and passing on that learning to those for it
Learning and sharing.
Who am I? Who am I?
Purpose of
Yes, yes, I want to know who am I and how I can serve the other people.
Yes, sir.
Instead of going for philosophical purpose, I would go by Maslow's theory, which is pride and respect for running.
You are living means what you are living.
That's right. But I think the purpose of life, first purpose is to put your basic needs.
So basically, you should believe in the Maslow theory.
Yeah, I believe in Maslow's theory because basic needs have to be fulfilled. Otherwise, the purpose doesn't make it.
Yes, sir.
Have some time.
Well, thank you very much.
माइक का इस्तेमाल कीजिए.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I must try to achieve excellence.
Try to
Achieve excellence in something
excellence.
and use that strategy for
This is the question for which at least I struggle to find out. What is the purpose of life. Finally, we adopt a certain way and live for our family, give something to society. But certainly, this is a vast question.
Not
Yeah.
Now, second question. What is life?
Life is just a machine to do certain things.
Yes, sir. You get it.
Life is just a journey.
What is life? Ma'am?
It's a passing phase. It's a passing phase. I'm here today, not there tomorrow.
Passing phase. Yes, sir.
Life is living and living.
Just not see. What is life?
जिंदगी पहेली है.
पहले नहीं सही है. life.
जिंदगी जीने के लिए एक तरीका
जीने के लिए कुछ है। हाँ भाई, ध्यान दो, बताओ क्या है जिंदगी?
जिंदगी जीने का एक
सब जी रहे हैं। आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग एक्सपीरियंसेस।
तो जिंदगी जीने के लिए चांस देने से क्या आप जिंदगी कह भी सकते हैं आप।
The state of being alive.
State of being alive. Don't know.
So life is a journey from birth to death and enjoy the challenge.
Journey. Yes, sir.
It's a journey from birth to death.
ये नेचुरल प्रोसेस है यार।
Yes, sir.
ये नेचुरल प्रोसेस है।
Natural.
लाइफ इज ए नेचुरल प्रोसेस।
Natural.
प्रोसेस। लाइफ इज ए जर्नी।
Journey.
Action.
Action.
So I could take it as a journey in different phases.
Journey.
In different phases.
It is a very valuable input for me. Because unless I am not asking about how to attain the purpose. Unless these things are clear, can we lead a good life? Just see, here, if we take in the country, we will get how much, how many? 140 crores different. Some are common, but 100, at least 100 crore runs. Can we ever reach? This is one of the biggest lacuna in my understanding of our education system. Because we are going to live life. We have made missiles, we have made Chandrayaan, we have made, sir, nowadays robo which can do everything just like artificial man. Is it not? But we don't know what is life. Anything cannot be achieved if everybody is seeing from a different perspective. Just like quality, there is one and only one target. There is no two. Between quality management, what customer, what supplier, they must see only one common, then only quality can be there. Otherwise, both are seeing two different things, they can't go. Quality management is दोनों का perspective to bring it to common point. Then only you can deliver quality. So, because why I gone to this topic? Actually, formally quality management evolved in 1987. Once ISO came, because I am involved since that time. Otherwise, one or two books used to be there. Feigenbaum, one of the very expert in that. After 1987, it has evolved very fast. It has become one of the powerful discipline, and now it is quite matured in our country and globally. So, after spending almost half a century in the corporate and quality management, ultimately why we want quality? Why we want? Interactive इसलिए कि मैं सीखता हूँ आपसे। ये जो चीजें हैं ना, I'll explain एक इंसिडेंट मैं बताऊँगा। मैं once I was in UK, I learned from a cab driver. उसको मैं गुरु मानता हूँ। क्यों हम क्वालिटी अच्छी करना चाहते हैं?
Happy to be satisfied.
To improve our quality of life. Even war also we are doing what for? To improve our quality of life. Besides, we are not making to kill others. To protect our quality of life. Am I right, sir? We are not making to kill others. Just in anything, whatever we are doing, only just to improve quality of life. अब सब चीज़ की क्वालिटी बना दी है, चंद्रयान चले गए, सब कुछ. We have designed sophisticated machines, tanks, missiles, fighter planes, Chandrayaan, satellites. But what about the design of life? चिराग तले अंधेरा का इससे better example नहीं होगा. I'm right, sir? Huh? You just ask ISRO. I'm going to write to Dr. Somnath also, because he is also quite spiritual person. Also, can we design a life? We have designed Chandrayaan exactly, means that hats off to. When it was being launched, just 5 seconds were left. The computer immediately warned. You must have witnessed everybody, but within short time they could recover. Means that is the excellence of their technological expertise, right? But have we designed our life? अभी देखिए इतने आए हैं different perspective. Everybody is seeing from. There cannot be. There is only one perspective. Who is designer of our life? Who is designer? Creator. Creator. He is not confused like us. He must be having a single point specification that design our life. So here, unless these three are clear, can we ever reach our goal? I am thinking something different, you are thinking something different. Actions are, that's why all these problems are coming. Am I right, sir? No, sir? Huh? There has to be one and only one purpose of life. एक वर्ड में होता है. I'll come to that. वो तो सर वो तो जब यही कंफ्यूज है तो क्या बताएंगे? ना उसको इंटेंशनली नहीं किए हैं. How to attain the purpose? पहले तो purpose सही रहे, then only, right? There is no purpose, clarity. There is no. These are these people are thinking and trying to give a service. Actually, purpose. What you live, that is the purpose. This is agenda what I want to cover. Just a brief philosophy of life. This is a very very big subject. कितने ऋषि मुनि हजारों साल तपस्या कर गए. Still it is unending. हरे अनंत हरि कथा अनंता. This is an infinite subject, right? हमको तो थोड़ा सा जो ज्ञान मिला है उसी की बेसिस पर कर रहे हैं. So here the philosophy of life, the need, why it is needed. This is the place. Anybody can guess what is this place? Design your life. Why you should design? आप सभी लोग बहुत बड़ी-बड़ी स्ट्रेटजी डिजाइन किए होंगे. योजना must have designed very big plants, very big machines, bridges, right? But life, nobody bothered about it. So, two parts of life जो इधर दिखाया है. Then, what's the purpose of life? वो clarity चाहिए. खाली एक word है, life की भी definition, और खाली one single word of the purpose. I come to that one. Then, how to attain the purpose? Topic is very big. I tried to put in such short time that is more challenging. Otherwise, I have designed 2 days very interactive workshop. So here, this is the Uttarkashi. Right side, you are seeing so many ashrams are there. I have visited several times. I am associated with Chinmaya Mission last 44 years. I have attended so many classes of mission and scriptures. Above that, ashram is there. This is a beautiful place. जो बोलते हैं ना कि देवभूमि, वहाँ you feel it is a देवभूमि. There is induction effect of देवभूमि. This is the maximum number of ashrams. Very enlightened Swamis are there. उत्तरकाशी. हाँ, सिटी का नाम है. So here. I will start with a story. Generally, during the course of scriptures, there used to be a program of 4 to 6 p.m. Ganga Vihar. वो पूरा टाइट शेड्यूल रहता है. There in the Ganga Vihar, disciples, they move along with the Guruji, and they really transfer great wisdom. So one day evening, Guruji was going with some disciples. Guruji was telling me his purpose of our mission to raise the quality of life of people. One of the disciples asked him, Guruji, बताइए, how many types of people are there? Big population, can they be classified? He told us, definitely there are 4 main categories. Then they wanted to know more what are the characteristics of these 4. He told no. First you must experience. You observe yourself, you organize. For them, you go to metros, middle city, villages, even the slums, every places across the society, interact with the people. First you observe, experience, then I'll tell you. That will be more important. So, arrangements were made in different places. Disciples went and interacted with all kinds of people. Metros, corporate professionals, businessmen, jhuggi, jhopdi, middle cities, villages, to understand the type of people. They studied. Before studying, they asked Guruji what we should observe. He told 4 things. First is that their attitude towards life. Attitude towards life, towards the world, and whatever happening around that. Second is that their behavior. Behavior depends on their values and beliefs, knowledge, skill, values and beliefs. And consequences of their attitude and behavior reflects in their physical health, mental health, and the standard of living. You have to observe these things, and based on that you have to classify the people. They spent few months. After the observation, they drawn conclusion, and they came, presented their observations. First, they told that majority of people, what we have met across every section, whether so-called educated, qualified professionals are that, most of the people they believe in the faith. यार बोलते ना समय के पहले अब भाग्य से ज़्यादा नहीं मिलता, ये बड़ा कॉमन फ्रेज है ना सर? मोस्टली बिलीव कि इससे कुछ नहीं होगा, मीन्स वॉट एवर रिटेन इन आवर डेस्टिनी ओनली दैट विल हैपन. इसलिए दैट टाइप ऑफ पीपल लिथार्जिक पढ़े बोले कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, दे डोंट वांट टू चेंज, बोले मैं आई एम फाइन, कुछ नहीं हमको इससे ज़्यादा मिलेगा, वॉट एवर यू डू. एंड होल लाइफ दे गो ऑन कर्सिंग देयर कि हमारा भाग्य खराब है, हमारे पेरेंट्स ये है, सरकार गड़बड़ है, निकम्मी है. All these things they go on blaming others except themselves. So the majority of people they observed this kind, believer of the faith. Then second category they observed कि some of the people are very ambitious, working very hard, materialistic, they want to earn money, they believe that whole happiness, power, everything is in money, power, authority, name and fame. They are striving for that and trying to earn maximum money by any means, the whole of society, right? Their belief is that towards life that money can give happiness. But they observe that ultimately what happens to their physical and mental. Both the physical, so many diseases, diabetes, cardiac, they are rich, having a good luxurious lifestyle, but facing a lot of physical problems. That's already we are seeing. Mentally always stressed, they are never satisfied. Whatever they are having, they want more and more. This is second type of people. Then third type, they told what they observed. There are some people very few, yes sir.
Very, very good slides. Can I get a copy of this?
No, बात मुश्किल बात है.
Not bana सकते.
हाँ नोट आप बनाइए, right? The third type, they told there are some people, very few. They go for along with the professional development. They want go for the internal development. They want to improve their internal character, follow spirituality, following the principles, ethical principles, living a disciplined life. They are contented whatever they are, but at the same time they are putting effort for their growth in professional as well as in personal, but very few. And they are happy, better, healthy, healthier, contented. But we couldn't get the fourth type. What disciples they shared with the चौथा हमको मिला, only 3 types. And this is happening, everybody agree, this is the classification, right? So, then they ask disciples, Guruji, ये तो ठीक है, but why people are so different? Even though we have seen some priests, they are having contrasting personality. एक बहुत शरीफ है, एक बहुत बदमाश है. हाँ? Even the rich people, they are doing dishonesty, billionaires, sitting at power, senior positions in the government, they are doing all this. Why people are doing that? This is the real problem of the society. Right, sir? So, Guruji then explained why people are different. Nature controls everything, only 3 good qualities. Sattva-guna, Raja-guna, Tama-guna. I think most of you must be very well aware. Just like every element on the earth is made of electron, proton, neutron. The तीन का ही बना है, only quantum and configuration changes. Exactly same way, people are made, personalities are made of only Sattva, Rajo and Tama. Only composition is changing. Your personality is what? X% Sattva, Y% Rajo and Z% Tama. इसी के पूरा all of us have a different chemistry of guna. That is designed in the character of a person. This is pure nature. Even in the food also you will find sattvic food, rajasic food, tamasic food. You will find fruits also like that. Everything what nature. There is no confusion and speculation. Only 3 gunas. Even the mausam mein रहता. Everything created by nature is governed by only these 3 gunas. So, based on that, Guruji explained what are the 4 types of people. First, he categorized, first category is the resigned. They are dominated by tamas, lethargic, उनको खाना पीना मिल गया उसी में संतुष्ट है. They don't want to change. जैसा मैं हूँ वैसा ही रहूँगा. I'm just telling one experience. एक दिन मैं वॉक करने जा रहा था कि जो रैक पिकर्स रहते हैं बच्चे 10-12 साल के, और पीछे एक बड़ा सा बैग लेके 4 से जा रहे थे. I just क्यों भाई तुम लोग तुम्हारे पापा क्या करते थे बताया कि हमारे वहाँ कई ठेला लगाते हैं किसी चाय वाय का. बोले तू पढ़ने क्यों नहीं जाता? बोलता हमको नहीं पढ़ना. बोले तू पढ़ेगा तो यहाँ तुम्हारा करते हैं. बोले नहीं हमको नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज कि दे डोंट वांट टू चेंज. तामसिक क्या है उसका भी रीजन है. सो दीज आर द रीजन. इनको लेथार्जिक, फोकस ऑन बेसिक नीड्स. खाना मिल गया, रहने को मिल गया, बहुत है. And incidentally, in my opinion, I wish I am wrong. Government is nurturing this kind of people. Do you agree or not? क्यों मनरेगा दे दिया? क्योंकि मैं SMEs को कंसल्टिंग करता तो बोले सब भाग गए गाँव से, आते नहीं. हाँ, मनरेगा और खाने का हो गया फूड. वहाँ साफ सुथरी जगह में रहते, गाँव इज मच बेटर देन स्लम्स। खाने का हो गया, मनरेगा में मिल जाता कुछ पैसा, कुछ कम कर लेते। दिस इज डैमेजिंग द ट्रस्ट एंड वी आर क्रिएटिंग तामसिक पीपल बिकॉज ऑफ द तामसिक एंड राजसिक रूलर्स। उनको मालूम ही नहीं, इस तरह से हम पूरा निकम्मे बना दे रहे हैं कंट्री। They can create work and then pay them instead of that सब कुछ करके। So they don't want to change। उनको बोलो मालूम नहीं, no motivation। बोले नहीं ठीक है, खाना पीन के पढ़ेंगे। So second category he told the desperate one। They are driven by rajasic quality। जहाँ एक्शन है, चंचलता है, एम्बिशन है, they are ambitious, they are highly materialistic, their wrong belief is that everything can be bought, money is the most powerful thing, उससे हम खुश हो जाएंगे। Biggest misconception, and most of the professionals you will find, most of इसको जो हमारा जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, पर्सनली आई डोंट कॉल इट एजुकेशन सिस्टम, दिस इज मनी मेकिंग स्किल। क्यों डॉक्टर साहब?
बिल्कुल सर।
खाली मनी मेकिंग स्किल है। किस प्रोफेशन में ज़्यादा पैकेज मिलेगा, कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट में हाईएस्ट पैकेज मिलेगा, वही जाते बच्चों को कुछ भी नहीं मालूम। दिस इज नॉट एजुकेशन, इट इज जस्ट मनी मेकिंग स्किल यू आर टीचिंग। एजुकेशन तो जो विच raises you above with transcends, no education। So this is the people, material success is everything, perpetual dissatisfaction, कभी satisfied नहीं होते। आप देखिए जो सेक्रेटरी बैठा है, many incidents are there, उनको लाइफलाइन गारंटी है, even so much pension facilities, but still they are doing big scams, bribes, lot of people, so hard। उनको क्या है? Always stressed and health issues। हॉस्पिटल में जाइए, वेट लगेगी, some problem। This is happening, British people, because their misbelief that money has got all power. After getting that money, what they can do? This is the desperate people, always desperate. They are millionaires, billionaires, living in good lifestyle. These are the people. Then third is the resilient. Those who are balanced personality are combination of rajas and tamas. They believe that spirituality is must. Spirituality is not a religion. After long study, it is science of life based on the law of nature. This is my interpretation. It has nothing to do Hinduism, Islamism, Christianism, nothing. This is science of life based on the law of nature. Same nature has created and same life everybody is living. जहाँ religion आ जाता वहाँ मारकाट चालू। Religion is misdirecting the people, creating problem। हो रहा कि नहीं देख रहे? हाँ? This is a, they don't understand the meaning of religion। So spirituality is science of life based on the laws of nature। So they look to balance people, holistic development, not just money or the materialism। They see the spirituality, they see the personal development, they are contented, healthier, happier than other people, but very, very few, very, very few percentage। And this is the main cause of today's problem in society। Do you agree? थोड़ा आप लोग interact कीजिए, आप लोग share कीजिए, all are having very rich experience। This is my observation, it may be wrong also। So you must enrich your experience। So, and fourth type in here, the enlightened people, wise people, those who are having a great wisdom, universal compassion. They are not differentiating which धर्म कौन सा है, religion. They are helping the people like Mother Teresa and all these things. So many people are there. They didn't differentiate. They tried to help the people, spiritual awareness they were creating. They were doing a lot of good social cause to raise the quality of life. So these are the 4 types of people. Now then again, now one can do self-discovery. आपने बोला था ना कौन, शर्मा जी, सीबी शर्मा, self-discovery आपने बोला था, हाँ?
Who am I?
हाँ? Who am I? इसमें आप जान जाइए कौन से टाइप में आप आते हैं. You need not tell anybody. So here, now once you come to know what level I am, then how to raise from once you become aware, designed to desperate. Why same summarize?
This is very actually very must communicate.
This is actually very concise slide because it encapsulates everything that you have said till now.
Right.
Basically, reaction to challenge and outcome. The reaction is a very important thing that you
Okay. So how to raise from one level to another? You have to design. It cannot happen by itself. Is it possible? अपने आप में सोचना है.
Previous slide, I just want to understand high level scope, right? High
आप
level.
उधर आ जाइए.
I can type.
आ जाइए सर, आप भी उधर आ जाइए. शेयर कहाँ है? है ना? हाँ, क्या पूछ रहे थे आप?
High level describing the concept.
Same, it is summarized. Right? So, how to make personal growth? You cannot grow automatically. You have to design life. You have to take efforts to improve your quality of life. So that's why design your life. Unfortunately, it is never taught in the school, nor in the college, nor in the professional program, nor in the corporate programs. At least I have not attended during last half century. So here, now, what is the present state? कोई भी चीज सुधारना है, you must know it's called baseline assessment. Where am I today? I want to move today. आप डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे, you want to improve health. What he will do first thing? क्या करेगा? डायग्नोसिस में क्या करेगा?
पूछेगा कुछ
हाँ?
डाटा कलेक्शन करेगा तो पहले.
नहीं, मतलब कितना unclear. He does only comprehensive health analysis.
डाटा ही शुरू हुआ सर.
डाटा तो नहीं सर, आपको पहले comprehensive, आप symptom एक बताएंगे, all are interconnected. Whole thing, physical, mental, right? So comprehensive health checkup. That is a baseline assessment. So the same thing, what is the baseline? Most of the time people are busy in the work, वहाँ भी unhappy है, घर आ गए दुखी हैं कि थक गए और कुछ है, कोई सुकून नहीं. Then there is no time to be happy. Is it true or not? There is no time to. Then what's happening in the corporate or business world? It is a rat race, right? Everybody is running on an infinite rat race. Even if you win, you will remain rat. हो रहा कि नहीं? You have become billionaire, still remain same. ऐसा नहीं कि billionaire हो गए तो आपका happiness बढ़ गया, बहुत कुछ नहीं. You remain same, you remain always right, but on the rat race you are competing all the time. So present state of life will be successful, right? But miserable. आप अपने most famous actors, most famous businessmen, most famous politicians, I don't want to name, देखिए उनका, हाँ, they are having everything.
You could be happy in all the three places.
Miserable.
You can be happy at all the three places.
So this is the condition of people. So present state summarized, unfocused, unsatisfied and overwhelmed. सब काम से पूरा busy, 9 to 9. Then sir, always busy with work, लेकिन कोई focus नहीं, कोई clear नहीं, nothing happiness. So this is the present state of life. Then how to improve quality of life? Again, they can't do it. He told there are only two paths. Either you live life by default or desire. What is default? भगवान भरोसे, right? जो भी so reactive हो जाने के बाद आप reaction होता है. Then परसों आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, जो कुछ हो रहा है उसके बाद रिएक्शन करेंगे अनफुलफिलिंग, पूरा लाइफ लॉन्ग अनसेटिस्फाइड. सो ड्रॉबैक, लैक ऑफ कंट्रोल, मिस्ड अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड स्टैग्नेंट. जहाँ आप जहाँ थे यू रिमेन देयर बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइफ बाय डिफॉल्ट. व्हाट हैपेंस इन डिजाइन? It is intentional. What I want, I am going to do that. It's my dreams and aspirations I want to live. It is a goal oriented. Once you know what I want, then you set a goal and take action plan. Take action, make a plan, then adopt it. Based on circumstances, you are flexible. You modify your plan. And this is there, and the ultimate effect is that greater fulfillment, improved performance and adaptability. This is the basic difference between design and default. I'm just giving case study, one of the most successful professional in the history of Indian management. Here I have given the name, fictitious name Robin. He joined as a office assistant in a big metal manufacturing company. But because of his brilliance, he became HR manager in few years. Finally, he became HR head, and ultimately he became CEO of the company. Very big company, very respected company. He became CEO. So, professional strength, he was dedicated, hard worker, very strong leader, people management skill, and career adaptability. He was fitting at each role. I haven't seen, I met that gentleman also, he is no more. I met him. Huh?
So do you not have any Indian in this list?
Yeah.
Such an exemplary person. Don't we have any Indian in this list?
Huh?
Don't we have any Indian in this list who can be present as a role model for our people instead of this foreign person? Just like
Foreign नहीं, हमारे दिमाग में राबिन हमारा एक राबिन, I'm just telling.
नाम चेंज कर दिया है.
आप change कर दीजिए.
वो नहीं, he is not.
इंडियन है.
हमें बात परसू कर देगा कोई उनका? How can you say? They can sue me. How you can write about me? They are in my book.
उसका praise कर रहे हैं like.
सुनिए, अभी खत्म नहीं है स्टोरी. अभी तो स्टोरी चालू ही है.
ठीक है सर, आपने दो एग्जाम्पल दिए. एक आपने मदर टेरेसा को कोट किया, जिसके बारे में बहुत ही मतलब सबकी डिफरेंट ओपिनियन हो सकती है. एक भी उसमें इंडियन ऋषि हुए, एग्जाम्पली लोग हुए. दूसरा आपने
देखिए, हम उस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में जाएंगे नहीं जो
मेरा सिर्फ इतना ही कहना है कि मतलब बेटर जब हम इंडियन कल्चर इंडियन फिलॉसफी की बात कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर अगर मेरे सामने
देखिए, ये दिमाग मेरे को आया.
India has nothing.
सुनिए, हमारे बगल में एक मेडिकल स्टोर है,
हाँ,
वो रॉबिन वहाँ है, समझे? रॉबिन सिंह नाम है उसका।
हाँ।
फोन करते हैं वो मुझे दवाई दे रहे, दिमाग वही आया था। अब
अच्छा, ये फिक्सिशियल पर्सन है इसका मतलब।
और क्या यार, कोई
रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल बता।
कोई रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल है, बट नेम इज चेंज, अदरवाइज आई विल शूट यार, क्या बात कर रहे हो किसी हम नहीं, नोबडी कैन
You are saying this for the sake of corporate only.
हमारे बुक में लॉट ऑफ रियल स्टोरीज आर देयर, बट नेम्स आर चेंज्ड।
Okay.
4-5 ग्रेट पीपल।
नहीं, but जिस दिन से आप उसका कैरेक्टर प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो वो एक एग्जाम्पलरी पर्सन
नहीं, अभी तो कैरेक्टर, अभी तो हम हाफ में ही हैं।
ठीक है।
हाँ, अभी तो स्टोरी बाकी है, राइट? सो दिस वाज हिज प्रोफेशनल कैपेबिलिटी। तो पिटफॉल्स आ गए आपके, हाँ? वर्क लाइफ इम्बैलेंस, वर्क हो रही, 20 घंटा खाली प्लांट में बीता रहा, neglected personal life. He was rated as best man manager of the country. बहुत उसने benchmark, but he couldn't manage his wife, his woman.
सही पैराडॉक्स है सोसाइटी में है।
नहीं,
मेरा है सर ये।
वही तो मैं बता रहा हूँ ना कि उसका then lack of spiritual growth, internal transformation नहीं, he was giving big profit to the company, it was growing, projects were expanding, turnover was increasing, but ultimately his inner growth was not. इससे आपको क्या मिलता है? आपको इससे essence. From this slide, what you interpret?
Actually, आप represent service इसके तो आज जो हमारा current situation है,
हाँ, हाँ, नहीं आपको नहीं आप हाँ बोलिए नहीं आप
मेरे कहने का मतलब ये
नहीं आप अपना व्यूज दीजिए ना, सुनिए मतलब
I think you have to third category on a person.
अभी लेट्स नॉट ड्रा कंक्लूजन, कौन सी कैटेगरी वाले हैं, राइट? देन व्हाट हैपेंड? He took some decisions against the board, against the policies of the company. He became arrogant, right? अब आप स्टोरी जो बताया ना अभी थी इंटरवल के बाद, lack of introspection. He was not introspecting कि मैं सही कर रहा हूँ, मैं जो कर रहा हूँ सब सही है। अथॉरिटी उसको चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव पूरी अथॉरिटी थी। Then missed opportunities for inner growth. उसको टाइम ही नहीं रहा था अपना इंटरनल करें, and finally unfulfilling success. तो सक्सेस तो जरूर मिली materialistic, but the holistic success नहीं मिली, right? Finally what happened to him? Professional downfall. He was doing policy violations. Board has issued warning. He was a very powerful person, and finally, board took decision to sack him. And he was sacked while he was in the flight from London to Delhi. कुछ लोग जो हैं, they can guess who was there, but I don't want to tell. Right?
Many stories.
Huh? This is the
Many stories. Many Indian stories.
this is the real story. I have met him personally in a conference in Taj Mahal Hotel. It was hosted by his company. I was there, steel company. This is the real story.
I know many stories.
है ना? ये बताइए मिस, he was the most successful. जो हम सक्सेस की डेफिनेशन देते हैं, it is a materialistic success. उसका प्रीफिक्स भूल जाते हैं. What we need, holistic success. Right? Holistic success was not there. So, what does start coming? Lack of personal awareness, poor work-life balance. This is telling what is needed in the people, and resistance to feedback. किसी को सुनने नहीं, जो एरोगेंट पास होता, किसी को हिम्मत नहीं पड़ती कि बोल दे आपने गड़बड़ की है, राइट? ऑटोक्रेटिक जो हो जाते हैं, lack of personal direction. If you are not listening anybody, this will happen. This is I'm just giving example of one of the most successful corporate professional, for which every corporate professional or businessman are striving out. So, solutions for it, design your life. You have to design for the holistic success, right? Holistic approach, disciplined life, self-discipline पहले होना चाहिए. You cannot be just arrogant. Contentment and happiness and balance perspective. This is required. Then he would have become one of the topmost professional of the country in history. So, coming to the purpose. A बहुत interesting story है, just I was learning from each of you. Few years back I was in London. वहाँ जो कैब ड्राइवर मिलते हैं मोस्टली इंडिया पाकिस्तान यही के मिलते हैं इंसिडेंटली ज़्यादा अंग्रेज भी कुछ रहते हैं बट देयर मोस्टली दे आर देयर. एक मिला, एक इंडियन फेस करा, थोड़ा सा आ गया भाई चेकिंग, क्या नाम भाई आपका? बड़ा तुमको इंडियन है. ही टोल्ड माय नेम इज इमरान. पूछा कहाँ के हो? लगा कहाँ हिंदुस्तान में. बोला आई एम फ्रॉम POK. दैट जनरेटेड मोर क्यूरियसिटी. थोड़ा सा और फ्री हुए तो उससे चैटिंग करने लगे. ऐसा है कितने साल से? बोला हम यहाँ 15 साल से काम कर रहे हैं. देन आई आस्क्ड अबाउट हिज फैमिली. बोला कि आई गॉट a teenage daughter and my wife, they are here till last year. उसके बाद मैंने वहाँ भेज दिया. ये बोले क्यों? बोला मैं तो टैक्सी चलाता हूँ, यहाँ की टीनेजर लड़कियाँ क्या करती हैं, सब कल्चर यहाँ का देख लिए. तो कॉन्शसली वी टूक डिसीजन कि अपने कल्चर में पालो एक रिलीजन में. दैट्स व्हाई आई आस्क्ड देम टू बी देयर. अब बोले फिर कैसा लगता भाई यहाँ जो है यहाँ का? ही टोल्ड मी वन वर्ड दैट यूरोका मोमेंट था. आई बचअप कर लिया. ही टोल्ड सर यहाँ पैसा बहुत है लेकिन सुकून नहीं. सो पावरफुल वर्ड सुकून. जो है ना पर्पस की बात, सुकून चाहिए. जैसे
सर ये तो यहाँ भी यही सिचुएशन है. सुकून इज फॉर नथिंग बट द स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. जैसे
वो क्या है उसमें अभी हम नहीं जा रहे हैं.
तो मतलब ये सिचुएशन तो यहाँ भी हम लोग कहते हैं हम भी रैट रेस में 9 to 9 काम कर रहे हैं. सुकून हमें भी कहाँ है? सो इट इज आई थिंक जनरल फिनोमेनन.
Anyway, what context you are taking it. जैसे श्रद्धा वर्ड है ना, आप ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी निकाल लीजिए, 20 वर्ड आएगा तो श्रद्धा का मीनिंग है, राइट? उस तरह सुकून आई एम वेरी मच इम्प्रेस्ड बाय उर्दू. इट इज अ वेरी रिच लैंग्वेज. जैसे संस्कृत है ना, बहुत मजेदार लैंग्वेज है वो भी. सुकून इज ए वेरी वेरी मस्त. उसमें इंटरनल पीस, कंटेंटमेंट, राइट, सो मेनी थिंग कम्स. बट आई गॉट द आंसर. जैसे पूछा था ना, अल्टीमेटली आपको चाहिए क्या? मैं वेद का बता रहा हूँ. परमहंस योगन व्हाट ही डिफाइंड नित्य नवीन आनंद. उनका जो है कि व्हाट वी वांट नित्य नवीन आनंद. रसगुल्ला खाए बहुत मजा आया एज लॉन्ग एज रसगुल्ला इन कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ योर टंग. लेकिन हमको चाहिए नित्य मीन्स परमानेंट लास्टिंग. तो बता रहा हूँ कि महान गुरुओं का वर्ड. सो बट आई फाउंड इट मीन्स कॉमन मैन की लैंग्वेज में सुकून हमको दरगाह में आई नो द हिंदी वर्ड भी, इंग्लिश वर्ड भी, संस्कृत सुकून. एक्चुअली वी आर इन सर्च ऑफ सुकून. जो होता है ना योग का जो होता है, क्या डेफिनेशन है? एनीबॉडी? व्हाट इज योग? एनीबॉडी कैन शेयर? शर्मा जी?
सर माय डेफिनेशन वी विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट.
नहीं आपकी
बिकॉज़
डेफिनेशन
योर थ्योरी इज डिफरेंट. माय
क्या क्या बताइए क्या है?
करेक्टेड है.
हाउ डू यू नो कि पीपल नॉट?
नहीं कॉम्बिनेशन इसलिए है कि
कुछ नहीं है. पतंजलि में जो लिखा है उसको योगा चित्त वृत्ति निरोधन.
चित्त वृत्ति को निरोध करता है.
चित्त वृत्ति को जो निरोध करता है दैट इज योग पुत्र में उसको लिखना है यार, बड़े बड़े गुरु लिख गए उसको योगा चित्रवृत्ति। जब निरोध हो जाता शांत then सुकून होता। सुकून मीन्स एजिटेशन फ्री स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, दैट इज सुकून। यस सर।
Can a person get succoon unless his basic needs are fulfilled?
नहीं अभी आ रहे सर। With all due apology, Maestro has done greatest damage for the concept. अभी मैं आ रहा हूँ उसमें। हमारे वेद से तो ज़्यादा हम नहीं थे।
This person is said was living life by default. But it was not living by default. By not default. After your father by default is a person जो भगवान में छोड़ के बैठा है. He was struggling.
बंदा है किसी भी